Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to do first time setup with my PS5 Pro, new PS5 Pro, and I'm going to connect with my PS5 launch editions. I'm going to transfer all the data from this PS5 console to this PS5 Pro. So it's very simple. So that's what I am going to see. So now I'm going to keep it aside, this consoles, because to get a clear picture, I think now it's cool. Okay. For first time connections, I'm going to connect it and press this PS button. Yes, it's charging. Yes, it's connected. So choose your country. Okay, choose your country, and then screen reader, I'm going to turn it off. Also check this user ID. So same user ID going to come here. Okay, I'm going to first connect this Wi-Fi connections. Okay, this is cool, and I'm going to set this and agree, confirm. Some basic stuff that already you know, and it is asking me to update the system software, so I'm going to do it, or you can do this later. However, it will be asking you to update soon, because if we are not updating, it will not be allowing you to enter. So we'll see. I'm going to do this later. Okay, and here I'm going to give okay, confirm and continue. So now we can transfer the data. Go to settings, okay, and here we need to go to the system. Under system, right, come to data transfer. Okay, transfer data from another console. So this is what I'm going to do. So if you already have a PS4 or another PS5 console, you can transfer your data to this PS5. Transferring data would not remove it from you from your other console. Data stored in USB external storage or M2.SSD storage would not be transferred, but you can plug and play, I guess. Okay, fine. I'm going to give continue. Yes, I think I need to update the software. I'm going to give continue. So this software will be updated. So now the software is updated. Rebuilding the database. Yes, cool. Once the software updated, right, I just skipped it. Now I'm going to settings. After updating the software, again I need to go, and here going to system and then data transfer. So we need to update the software first. See, now what I need to do is I need to sign in. Okay, so simply I'm going to scan this using my mobile. It will be very easy, or you can just simply go to sign in manually. So here you can provide the username and password. Now it is asking me to enter the second step verification code, because I have already activated it. So I got it on my mobile, so I'm going to enter. It's verifying now. Yes, super cool. Right now I'm going to give OK. I'm not going to make any setups. So console sharing, so you can enable it. So now it came back to transfer data from another console. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give continue. Prepare for data transfers. Make sure your other console is turned on and both consoles are connected to the same network. Yes, both are connected into the same Wi-Fi connections. That is very important. Example, here I'm going to select. So both should be in same Wi-Fi connections. That is very important. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, to complete the transfer faster, use your wired LAN connection. So I'm going to use the LAN connections. So I'm going to use this LAN cable. On this back side, we need to insert it. Okay. So I'm going to insert it. PS5 to another PS5, I need to insert it. Okay, LAN cable is connected on both the consoles. Okay, now it should be fast. So I'm going to give continue now. Searching for your other console. So now I'm going to tap. Now I'm going to select the console. Yes, it's found. So 4 minutes 58 seconds is left. Within the time limit, press the power button, okay, on your PS5 for 1 second until it beeps. So I'm going to press this Okay, I need to, okay, it says prefer for data transfer. Within the time limit, press the power button on your other PS5 for 1 second until it beeps. So, this is new PS5 Pro, this is the existing one. So, I need to press the power button. Where is the power button? Yes, the power button is there. So, I need to press and hold until it beeps. Pressing now. Yes, see, it's restarting. I think it started data transfer. LAN cable is connected, and here also transfer data to another console. So, it is transferring from here to here. After preparation is completed, your PS5 will automatically restart. So, it will be very easy, I guess. Also, do not turn off your PS5 or disconnect any cables, okay? Even don't unplug your controller. So, it says step 1, transfer users account information, save data and console things, okay? And step 2 is transfer screenshots, video clips, games and apps after restart. Okay, I'm going to give OK now. I can choose whatever I want, okay? User data, games, apps, console settings as well, I can change that. And but it's 1.14 terabyte, okay? I'm not sure how long it will take. We'll see. Oh, it's 3 hours 59 minutes it will take, okay? Because games and apps contains 382 GB, but later I want to install some other games with the internet connection, so I'm going to remove this games and apps. If you have the time, then you can choose games and apps as well. Also, you can edit whatever you want, okay? Which any particular game you want to transfer, you can do that. See, some games will be able to download, okay, with the internet connections. If you want, you can select or uncheck it. Anyway, I'm going to uncheck this games and apps, okay? But my user data is 27 GB, so for that it take times around 24 minutes. Okay, here also I'm going to edit, so all the users also will be selected here. Okay, and if you don't want any of this, just you can leave it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this all and I'm going to give confirm. Also console settings I need it, so just I'm going to transfer it. So start the transfer. Are you sure you want to start the data transfer? Some of the changes to this PS5 can't be undone. That's fine. So I'm going to give yes. It's preparing to transfer. Transferring the data is going to complete from my existing console to new PS5 Pro. It's 99%. 100. It's completed, I guess. Restarting your PS5. Console settings will be transferred. Rebuilding the database. Yes. Wow. So I'm going to press this PS button. I think everything is done. Yes, all data has been transferred. Okay. I think I need to choose that right user ID, because still here it says, wow. This PS5 will automatically turn off when transferring is completed. So still it is transferring something. Okay, cool. You can turn off the update as well on this new console. Got it, your collections. So actually it's importing my library. That's what it's doing, the console settings. We'll see 223 games, still it is getting transferred. So the existing console, okay, super cool. Transfer is completed. So it is getting restarted and the transfer also is completed. You can check on the notifications. Yes, it's completed. Good. Now I can use this console as well. PS5 Pro, everything is transferred. So everything is got transferred. So I'm going to verify the library. Under your collections, yes, all the settings has been transferred. I mean library also transferred. So here I'm going to verify your collections. Yes friends, everything is exist. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback from media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.